what's up? So welcome back to my channel. So in this review slash tutorial, I am going to be using the Sephora PRO Smoky Jewels palette, and this is it right here. These are the colors, and if you want to know how to achieve this beautiful look, just keep on watching. Ciao guys. Okay guys, so the first color I'm going to use, it's called Alabaster, which is this one right here. It's like a satin type of finish. It's not really frosted, it's more like a satin finish. And I'll be honest with you, when I did it on the other eye, I didn't find that it did much, but gotta do it on this eye. So I started all the way up here. It wasn't intended as a highlighter, but that's what it ended up as. Alright, the next color is called Ruby, which is more of a coral, like a pink coral actually. But when I apply it, I don't know, it looks more raspberry. And I'm not sure if that's because I'm putting it on top of that other color, or if that's just the way it truly is. But right now, I can't figure it out. And swatching the color will not give you the correct results. Alright, so I was just like playing around with the palette, not knowing exactly what I wanted to do next. So the next color I actually applied, I believe it's this one's called Fire Opal, which is a matte, and that's like a pumpkin. The other one, the Ruby, was also matte as well. And that actually just intensified that color a little bit more, if you can tell. I'm hoping that the camera's picking that up. All right, and the next color that I did is called Garnet, which is also matte. It's like a dark Bordeaux, dark burgundy. It's more like a, no, it's more like a brick burgundy color. My hands are ashy. Like a brick burgundy color. So it's got like hints of brown, oranges, kind of burgundy-ish. I don't know if that makes sense. I did it like right at the crease. Oh, look, it washed out as well. So because it washed out, I did put another color on top of it, which is a little darker. It's gonna wash out, so I'm gonna skip it, especially since I'm going out and I am like in a rush. Now for this next color, I actually, oh well, you know what, hold on, because I didn't do it in that order. So, hold up. Alright, so the next color, it's going to be on the outer corner. I started off with this one with Sapphire. This is like a bluish purple. And then I ended up going with this, and then I put in a little bit of black. But those two, they're both blue purplish. This, the Sapphire, is more like a purple blue. The other one is called Indigo. It's not too much far of a difference. I don't know if you can tell the difference on camera. I'm going to guess that the finish, this one is more frosted. I see more little glitter specks than that one. That's definitely one of the biggest differences. And I'm going to go in with a crease brush. Start on the outer corner and bring it all the way in. Going in with the indigo. So it just darkens it a little bit more. And then with that black, just start off very lightly with the black. You know, you don't want to end up darkening it too much. Like it's a little bit too dark, so I'm going to go in again with the indigo. So for the inner eye, I normally do like 2 colors, maybe sometimes even 3, but this time I'm keeping it simple. This one is called Geode, Geode, and it's this one right there, and that's definitely a frosted color. It's like champagne pink, very pretty, very light. And that's it. Now I'm definitely gonna go. I sharpen the edges. I'm gonna put the eyeliner, mascara, all of that, eyelashes, and any fixing, and we will be right back. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I actually went out. Today's Valentine's Day. Not sure when I'm gonna upload this video, and this is how I came back. I didn't put any foundation or anything. I just did the eye look and lipstick, so there's no highlighter or blush. So this is me, my natural skin. So what did I think about this palette? This is the, as the thumbnail says, the Sephora PRO Pigment, the Smokey Jewels. This is my first time actually using it, and I liked the palette in terms of pigmentation. So it lasted all day, I would say. I really don't like the whole color combination within the palette. I really don't. I kept it because, I don't know, for some reason, there are some people who give it some flack, but I actually like the quality of the Sephora PRO Palettes. I currently own all of them. The new ones that came out a few months ago, the latest ones, I'm going to do videos on them. But I do like the quality of them. I don't see anything wrong with them. I just don't like all these colors in this palette all put together. It just doesn't wow me at all. It costs like 60 something dollars. I'm not sure. But yeah, I do think they're of good quality. The other palettes, I believe, have the names like on the, you know, that little plastic insert. On these new palettes, the names are actually underneath. So I appreciate that, even though that only matters if, I guess, if you're doing a video, you don't really need names. Love this full mirror. Sephora, you did great. I love palettes that have mirrors, no matter how big or small the palette is. But this mirror is definitely beautiful. I mean, yeah, it gives you up close. Oh my god. Oh my god. I had some spaghetti sauce stuck on my chin. I didn't even know. But yeah, this palette, it gives you, I mean, the mirror, you get up close where you can do your makeup comfortably. So I really, really enjoyed that. But yeah, other than that, I give it a thumbs up. I definitely think it's worth it. So go out there, run and get yourself a Sephora palette. I do recommend all of the ones that I've used so far, which I have uploaded and done videos. I will leave links down below. But yeah, that's just my 2 cents on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and don't forget to rate, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, don't forget to unleash the makeup on inside of you. Ciao guys.